The crypto market is turning green as the US-Iran conflict is cooling down and easing off, guys. Let's get into this. All right, so right now we see the market is up a little bit over 2%. And actually to point out that stocks are up right now too. Gold's up, S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ. Everything is green for the most part. And this is nice to see. This is nice to see that the US-Iran conflict, it's not over, guys. It's not over. This whole oil thing too, it's not over yet, but it is cooling down. It's easing off, and we're getting to the conclusion that we want to be at, where this is completely done. Oil is fine and in a better situation than it has been, that we have seen it in. And it's coming, guys. It's not coming tomorrow, but it is coming. It's a gradual event. Things are unwinding and getting better. And we see this right now. And so we can actually click over here and find out why the market is up. And we're going to get into that. It'll pretty much answer all the questions you need to know. Okay, so the market is up, primarily driven by sharp reduction in geopolitical risk, aka the US-Iran conflict. It shows a strong correlation with the S&P 500 and 85% with gold, indicating a shared macro-driven move. So this isn't just a crypto-specific thing where the US-Iran conflict cools off and only crypto goes up. Everything is benefiting from this. And on the flip side of that, no one benefits from it. And everyone gets a negative outcome when war happens. So we're all winning right now. And if things would have gone south, we all would have lost. And we've all been losing a little bit. No one's really been winning big. And this has been an ongoing theme for the past couple of months with crypto. But I think that once we get out of this US-Iran conflict, which it will happen in the near future, that will be a big hump that we're getting over. And I think that once we get over that, it's a big deal, guys. This whole possibility of war, all that stuff, it has been a big deal. It has impacted crypto a lot. And we've seen a lot of negative things happen in the last couple of months. But I believe that once we get past this, we're fully past all this US-Iran stuff, we will be on the bright side of things. I believe that things will be better after this. I feel like this is the last big event. Obviously, something could happen, just show up. But I believe we're pushing towards better things, such as the Clarity Act happening in the future. Obviously, you can't pinpoint a date on that, but it has been being pushed for. Momentum is building behind it. And I keep stressing that, but I believe that after we get done with this whole US-Iran conflict, we're on the brighter side of things, guys. Okay, so primary reason, de-escalation signals in the Iran conflict lowered the global risk premium, boosting all risk-sensitive assets, which crypto is a risk-sensitive asset. A Bitcoin-led recovery and broad altcoin participation amplified the rally, with derivatives volume surging over 110%. Okay, so a near-term market outlook. The rally's sustainability hinges on upcoming US CPI data on March 12th, 2 days from recording this video. A soft print could extend gains toward the $2.46 trillion resistance. Okay, so the geopolitical risk recedes. This is the big thing. So President Trump's suggestion of a swift end to the US-Israel offensive in Iran, coupled with a reported reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, which is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but the thing you need to know is that is where 20%, I think the number is 20%, where 20% of the global oil has been going through in Iran. And that has been shut down. And actually, I'm not certain it was shut down. Actually, I'm going to ChatGPT that real quick. That's not a bad idea. ChatGPT. I actually don't know if it was shut down, but I know a lot of stuff was happening there. Conflict. Was the Strait of Hormuz? Let's actually find this out, guys, because I think 100% there was conflict there and it impacted oil a lot. And that's why we saw the prices surge. Yes, it was shut down for most oil tankers. So this has been shut down, and a reopening of that would definitely help oil not be as high in price and would help things go a lot smoother. And that kind of industry, and the oil industry being down, has not helped us. It has hurt us, has hurt crypto. And that being reopened will definitely be a positive thing happening in the future, which triggered a 15% plunge in oil prices and a broad equity rally on Yahoo Finance, the stock market. This rapid de-escalation reduced a major macro overhang, lifting investor appetite for crypto. Okay, so things are going positive, guys. We're getting to the resolution of this. So number two, the broad-based crypto recovery. Bitcoin's 3.4% gain provided the foundation. Bitcoin usually moves first, everything follows, but the rally extended across major layer one tokens and AI-themed altcoins like Render. Total derivatives volume jumped 110.69%, indicating strong speculative conviction returning to the market. So a near-term market outlook, the immediate catalyst has passed, putting focus on fundamental data. The US CPI report on March 12th is the next key trigger. A market cap hold above the $2.4 trillion Fibonacci level would support further upside toward the swing high of $2.46 trillion. So guys, let's hope this happens. Let's hope we can get to that level, you know. The bullish momentum is intact but data dependent. A hotter than expected CPI could quickly reverse today's gains by renewing fears of tighter monetary policy, which pretty much means, guys, that a hotter CPI report than expected could take us right back to where we were yesterday. And that's how things are right now. That's how things have been. But I think the good news is that we take from this is that this whole US-Iran conflict, it's coming to an end, guys. We're getting there. Oil's coming back. So on the positive end, guys, on the positive kind of, you look at a positive idea and you look that we're getting to the end of this whole war conflict. It was not great for crypto. This has been a bad thing and has been an ongoing conflict, and we're getting to the end of that. So that is something nice to see, and things are brighter. We are getting to that brighter side, guys. I know it's hard to see it, but we're getting there. And this starts with getting this whole US-Iran conflict figured out, and we get over that. So that's all I have for you guys right now. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate all your guys' support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.